Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard-boiled egg sandwich. First, select fresh eggs and bring them to a rolling boil for about 10 minutes. This ensures they are perfectly hard-boiled. Immediately transfer the cooked eggs to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. While the eggs cool, prepare your other ingredients like mayonnaise and mustard. Once your eggs are completely cooled, carefully peel them under cold running water to remove the shells smoothly. Then, chop the peeled eggs into small, consistent pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. Transfer the chopped eggs to a mixing bowl. Now, add 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Gently mix all the ingredients together until the egg pieces are evenly coated and the mixture is creamy. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the egg salad too mushy. Now, select your preferred bread. White, whole wheat, or rye all work wonderfully. Spread a generous amount of the delicious egg salad onto one slice of bread, ensuring it reaches the edges. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, consider adding finely chopped celery, red onion, or fresh chives to your egg salad. You can also experiment with different seasonings, like a dash of paprika, a pinch of curry powder, or even a touch of hot sauce for a kick. This simple sandwich is incredibly versatile. Remember to check the description below for a link to a great book about money and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.